Hey guys, Castro1 coming at you with a brand new video. This video is going to be announcing the winners for Venom 4K and Spider-Man Homecoming. So, Venom we have 45 entries. Spider-Man Homecoming we got 33. So, we're going to do Venom first, and then we'll do Spider-Man. So, we'll be using our slot machine this late evening, early morning. So I was trying to get this done, but it got super late. So now, yeah, here we go. Venom. Corrupted Matt, congratulations. You are the winner for Corrupted. I'm so tired. For Venom, Corrupted Matt, you are the winner for Venom. Alright, we're going to go over here to back to the name sets. Alright, and we got Spider-Man. We're gonna do Spider-Man Homecoming 4K, and the winner is April Lee. Congratulations, you are the winner for Spider-Man. I will leave my info down below for Facebook and my email. The winners can contact me on one of those. As always, guys, Blu-ray This Is Awesome, and make sure you go enter on the other digitals that are up right now. Until next time, guys, peace out.